Okay, wanted to make a quick video for Emily here. Wanted to know how you tie this bungee ball into your tent. So easy. Place ball into corner of tent. This will be the inside. This will be the outside. And take a clip of some sort. This one's a little bit bigger than you probably need to hold up your tent. Wrap it around the ball that you just created. And zip tie it on. That's it. So then on the outside, you're reaching up to clip, and on the inside of your tent, you have a loop hanging down that you can attach other things to. The reason this works well is because by bunching up all this fabric, you're pulling more from like this and rather from a single point, and it makes it so that it's a lot more sturdy over time and will last you for a couple of years. That's the whole thing.